Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. I Javin Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today session we are going about discuss the topic ethical issue in business. And so let's start the topic. Ethical issues in business. According to the Global Business and Ethical Survey of 2018 employees 40% believe that their company has a weak learning and ethical culture and that little progress has been made to the mitigate and the wrongdoing. Here are some of the ethical issues in businesses and real world cases of how these ethical issues have affected companies. Now, first one is the accounting. Cooking the books and otherwise conducting an unethical accounting practice is a serious problem, and especially in publicly and traded companies. One of the most infamous for example in the 2001 and scandal and the involved American agencies company and Neuron, and which for years and reported its financial statements and its author. Accounting firms and the understand sign off on the statements and disputes and that the being and incorrect when the truth emerged on the both companies and went out of business and Iran's the shareholders lost $25 billion, and although the former Big Five accounting firms had a small portions for its employees and working with Euro. The firm's closure and results in 85,000 jobs lost. Now, second is the social media. The social medias nature of the social medias has made it a factor in employee and conduct online and after hours, and is it ethical for companies and to fire or otherwise punish employees for what they post about, and are social media posts and counted as free speech? The line is complicated but it is drawn, and when an employee's online and activities are considered and disloyal to the employer, and meaning that Facebook post and would go beyond complaining about work and incited do something to reduce business. Now, third is the harassment and discriminations. racial and discriminations and sexual harassment and waste and inequality, and these are all costly. Ethical issues that employer and employees and encounter on a daily basis across the country. According to a new release from the Equal Employment Opportunities and Commissions for victims and of the discrimination in private sector and government workplace in 2019. In Equal Employment Opportunities Commissions state that there are several types of discriminations, including age and disability and equal pay, genetic informations and harassments, nation origin, and race, religions and relations on the pregnancy and sex and sexual harassment. Now next fourth, health and safety. The International Labour and Organizations, the International Labour and Organizational ILO, state that 7,397 people die and every day for occupational and accidents and or work related diseases, and this results in more than 2.7 million deaths per year. And according to the Occupational and Safety and Health and Administrations, the top 10 most frequently and cities and violations of 2018 were the fair for protections and examples for the unprotected and sites and engaged and the learning engaged, and hazard and communications and classifying harmful chemicals. Now the lockout and tag out and the controlling hazardous and every such as oil and gas, empower individual and tracks and safety requirements for fair tracks. Now next is the next and leaders and standards for how much waste leaders and sanitation and the electrical ring and methods and procedures for how to circuit to reduce an electromagnetic and interface, the machine and guiding for examples and clearing the shares and power press and the other machineries and requires points of operations and guiding, the electrical general requirements, and so that the not placing and conductors or equipments in drop or wet locations. Now fifth point is the technology and privacy. The technology and privacy. With developments in technology and security capability, and employers can now monitor on their employees' activities on their computers and other companies provided electronics device. The electronics and surveillance is supposed to ensure efficiency and productivity. But when does it cross the line and become spam? And the companies can legally and monitors on your company's email and internet browsers and history. In fact, 66% of companies and monitors internet connections. And according to 2019 data from the American Management Associations, the 45% of employers and track contract and key stocks and time spent on the keyboard, and 45% store and review computers files as well as monitors mail. And overall companies and are not keeping this a secret, and 84% total employees and that they are reviewing computer activity. Now employees and should review the privacy and policy to see and how they are being and monitors and consider if it can indicate a record of their job performance. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.